Back in Boracay.
It's 2026. Mandatory.
Hey guys, welcome to Henan Crystals. We're here na. Pasok na tayo. Wow.
Amoy.
Amoy. Style.
Wow.
So this is it. This is the overview of the room. But let's do a room tour. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today we're now at Henan Crystals. Kakadating lang talaga namin guys sa Boracay, and it's 2:30 p.m. so nakapag-check-in na kami. 3 p.m. talaga yung check-in nila dito. But now, I'm gonna do a quick room tour lang guys kasi bababa na kami and kakain ng lunch. This is the door inside. Tapos pagpasok mo guys, meron dito lalagyan ng mga luggage. And then, to your right, nandito na actually si Charles. Here. Hi. Hi there.
Hello.
Okay, so ito yung bathroom nila. Ito yung shower area. Ayan. Shower. Tapos meron siyang shampoo and conditioner. May soap na maliit doon. And then, nandito yung sink. Mga toiletries. Meron tayong dental kit, shaving kit, shower cap, cotton buds, ano to, moisturizing lotion, may dalawang baso, maliit na towels, and over here, yan lang. Meron naman silang blower dito. And this is the toilet. Yan. Ito yung toilet. Meron dalawang tissue, may phone, meron dalawang towels, good for 2. And I think that's it. Meron ditong mirror. Dito naman guys, nag-provide sila ng dalawang umbrella. Tapos, merong safe dito. Bali, ito yata yung parang cabinet or closet. Meron ditong dalawang robe. And dalawang slippers. Tapos guys, actually iba yung room namin before dito sa Henan Crystals. Meron ditong divider, tapos dito naka-attach yung control for the aircon. Dito naman, meron tayong maliit na table, yung vanity mirror. Ayan, wait lang. Yung luggage na ata namin. Over here naman guys, meron tayong malaking flat screen TV, control ng TV, and then meron silang pitcher dito kasi guys, hindi sila nagpo-provide ng bottled water. Merong mga dispenser dun sa labas ng hallway. So, magre-refill na lang kayo. Here naman, meron tayong maliit na ref. Nandito siya. Usual na maliit na ref. Here, merong cup. Merong mga tea. Ayan, coffee ata to. May mga baso din. Ayan. Coffee drip. Tapos, kettle. Ayan siya. Basically, yan lang yung nandito na area. And meron pang isang lalagyan ng mga bags or luggage. Meron tayong ditong full-length mirror. Hello, guys! And of course, ang ating king-size bed. I think king-size to. Malaki siya eh. Okay. Pwedeng-pwede to for couple. But, actually, pwede nun mag-add ng isa pa extra bed or extra foam dito. Meron tayong dalawang bedside table dyan. Meron ding lamp na malaki. Meron tayong dito alarm clock
Speaker.
and alarm clock speaker. Tapos, dito naman is yung phone. Yan. Meron ditong coffee table. Wala tayong view, but we have here balcony outside. Yan. Yan, meron tayong balcony. Pwede natin isabit yung mga basang damit or mga swimsuit. So, basically guys, this is the overview of our hotel room. Actually, yung Henan, maganda naman talaga yung mga rooms nila dito eh. And the hotel itself. And of course, guys, alam kong may magtatanong sa inyo kung anong room namin. It's the Lux room and located siya sa second floor building. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga yung Henan, guys. Nandyan pala yung split type na aircon. Back again in Boracay. Yay! Hi!
And we have arrived.
Nandiyan lang yung Henan Crystals, guys. Beachfront pa rin siya. Muni? Let's go! Push. Sa babaw.
Bala na to. Magay mo bitin.
Hidden. Ano naman? Isang coco matcha. Hey guys, so lalabas kami today or tonight. Pupunta kami ng Yukatsu Place or restaurant. Ito yung OOTD namin kasi dapat naka-blue kami. Ayan. Dito kami nakastay ngayon guys sa Henan Crystal Sands. Ayan. So, lalabas kami dito sa likod kasi nandito yung place or yung restaurant na kakainan namin. Ayan. Dito kami kakain guys. So bali nasa tapat niya tong parang lagoon. Malapit na talaga siya sa Henan Crystal Sands.
Ice cream.